Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add the notification panel shortcuts on REALME GT6. Firstly, pull twice from top to bottom, and here tap on three dots in the top right corner, then tap on edit tiles. Here you can remove some from the main screen and add them from more functions also. So let's say we want to get rid of eye comfort and of screenshot, and instead of it we want to add writing mode, let's say. Here we can also drag them between the sides, so we can add writing mode to our first side here, and also we can set flashlight here, so it's going to be a bigger button, but I will stay with mobile data maybe here. And obviously on the first side you should have the most important things, so airplane mode, you don't use it probably so often, so let's drag it onto the second side. After you're done your editing, let's say, all you got to do is go back, and that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in a comment.